Today I'm going to be demonstrating for you how to install and get started with the WordPress for Unity Bridge scoring extension. First things first, if you when you start a new project like we have here, is first to install the login kit or the WordPress for Unity Bridge by its full name. You just install it like so. You always need to install into your project the WordPress for Unity Bridge first, as all the other assets rely on it. They're all extensions for it, so you need to install that one first. Just be sure of that. And next, after you've installed that, you can install the scoring asset. Let's see, there you go. Import that. Once you're done, if you haven't done so before, you need to go to the Wordpress plugins folder. You just go click and show an explorer. That'll show you the login and the scoring asset both. The plugins for WordPress. If you haven't installed the login plugin yet, you need to install that first, because like I said, everything depends on it. If you install it in the wrong order, you're gonna have errors on your website. Just install the login kit first. All the rest you can install in any other order you want. So let's go to the website and see that in action. Just go to add new plugins, and then, as I said before, make sure you install the login plugin first. Just go to add new and upload plugin. Drag in your login plugin. Install now. Activate. Now you'll see it's working by using Unity Bridge asset here, menu here. So next, add the other one. That you only have to do once, by the way. If you've already done it, it's already done, so don't worry about it. Now for your new asset, your new plugin, copy that over, install, and activate. Now if you go to your Unity Bridge, you'll see that your leaderboard system is there as well. Unfortunately, we don't have any games installed on our website yet, so let's do that first. Go to all games, add new. Now let's call this one scoring demo. You can add a description here if you like, and you can add feature images and stuff, but for our purposes we just need to do that, and we can hit publish. And now if we go back to all games, you'll see that our game has got ID 16. Just remember that for later. Back in Unity, we can now go to our demo scene. So we find that WordPress demo scoring. You can open that scene up, and first thing we need to make sure of is that there is a WP server object in your scene. Ours is there. So first thing we need to do is enter your game ID that we just saw in there, and then for your online URL, that is the one for your live site, and this is for one during development. You can just tick that to toggle this or that URL. So in my case, I'm going to do this one. And that's it. We're ready to go. We hit the play button. Automatically log me in, and there we go. For game number 16, you just submit a random score, and there it is. Currently there are no other users, so the only high score that's there is 9234. And if I close this and I play it again, never mind, let's do that again. If you want to say you want to have multiple leaderboards for your game, just make sure that this value that you enter here does not exist for some other game. So let's say, for example, 15. You can now submit a random score for that, and that's the current high score for that game. With this system, you're able to have multiple leaderboards. One for, let's say, fastest time, one for most wins, one for most kills. You can have as many leaderboards as you want. All you need to do is specify a different game ID, and that's it. Simple as that.